Good morning everyone. We the students of Yellow House presenting the drama on topic on justice. India is a land of equality, peace and freedom. From the day our nation was born, we have believed that every person is equal, no matter who they are. Our constitution begins with a beautiful promise, justice for all.
भारत एक समानता और आजादी वाला देश है। हमारे संविधान की पहली पंक्ति कहती है सभी के लिए न्याय। यह न्याय केवल कानूनों में नहीं बल्कि हमारे दिलों में भी होना चाहिए।
Scene 1. Social justice, gender equality. This scene opens in a school playground. Students are playing cricket. A group of boys cheering them loudly.
Yes, that's a six. We are unbeatable today. Who's next to ball?
Hey everyone, can I join you? I have been practicing my bowling every day. I am ready to take some wickets. You, a girl playing cricket. Girl can't play cricket. Go and play with your dolls. That's not fair, Gaurang. Why do you think only boys can play? Cricket doesn't belong to boys or girls. It belongs to who love the game. I have much right as anyone else.
But that's how it's always been. It just feels strange. We have never seen girls in our team.
Then maybe it's time to change that. Do you know women play for India too? Players like Mithali Raj, Harmanpreet Kaur, they have made our country proud. If they can, why can't I? She's right. My sister plays football. She's awesome. We should give her a chance. What's happening here, children? Why are you arguing instead of playing together?
Ma'am, Sharwari wants to play cricket. Sharwari wants to play cricket with us. But she's a girl.
What's wrong with that? Our constitution in Article 15 clearly says no one shall be discriminated against because of religion, race, caste or gender. That means girls and boys are equal in every field, in sports, in school and in society. Sharwari, I'm really sorry. Will you forgive me? Of course, Gaurang. I'm glad you understand. Now come on, let's play together. I will show you my new bowling tricks. Outside! That's the spirit. When we respect each other, we make our country stronger. Justice for all begins with us. Equality is not a gift. It's a right that every citizen deserves.
समानता केवल एक शब्द नहीं हमारे संविधान की आत्मा है। जब तक हर लड़की और हर लड़का एक साथ आगे नहीं बढ़ता तब तक प्रगति अधूरी है।
Justice for all, equal rights for everyone. Together we rise, together we win. Together we rise, together we win. Scene 2. Economic justice.
गौरव, तुम अभी भी ये पुराने बुक्स यूज करते हो? मेरे घर पे तो नए नए एडिशंस आते रहते हैं।
बुक्स पुरानी हो या नहीं, नॉलेज तो सब में सेम होता है ना कबीर।
हाँ, पर तुम्हारे पास तो कोचिंग क्लास का पैसा भी नहीं होगा।
कबीर, that's not fair. Hard work is bigger than money. Class, what's happening? मैम, कबीर रोहन को उसके बैकग्राउंड की वजह से टीच कर रहा है। कबीर, school is a place of equal learning. Economic status doesn't decide intelligence.
But ma'am, he can't join expensive coachings. How he will compete?
Success depends on effort, not on money. और रोहन तो हमारा सबसे हार्डवर्किंग स्टूडेंट है। मैम, मैं बस एक मौका था तो प्रूव करने का। Good morning class. Good morning ma'am. Students, we will have a science talent competition. Selection will be based on ideas, not money spent on projects.
हाँ, तो मैं तो मेरा मेटल रोबोट बनाने वाला हूँ। कॉस्टली बट इम्प्रेसिव।
मैं अपने घर के वेस्ट से प्रोजेक्ट बना सकता हूँ। बिल्कुल, क्रिएटिविटी मैटर्स, नॉट कॉस्ट। इकोनॉमिक जस्टिस मीन्स एवरीवन गेट्स अ फेयर चांस, हाउ रिच और पुअर। कंपटीशन डे। Students display their projects. Shell's robot is shiny but doesn't work properly. Gaurang simple solar energy made from recycled materials works smoothly. Rohan, your project shows innovation and problem solving. You are the winner.
But ma'am, his project cost almost nothing.
Exactly, Kabir. Talent is not sold in the market. Economic justice means opportunities, not privilege.
Sorry रोहन, मैंने तुम्हें तुम्हारे बैकग्राउंड के वजह से टीज किया.
It's okay. Let's work together next time.
Okay.
In a fair society, every child, rich or poor, must get equal chances. Economic justice ensures that dreams are not limited by money but lifted by opportunities. For all.
Equal rights for everyone. Students from class 50 students are excited. Ballot boxes kept on the table. Two students, Sharvari and Rushal, are standing in front of the class. The teacher, Miss Riddhi, supervises the process. Good morning, class. Good morning, teacher. Today, we will elect our new class monitors. Remember that every vote counts, every voice matters, and fairness is our top rule. Now, I request our students to please continue with their speech. First, I would like to call upon Riya. Good morning. I, Riya. If I become the class monitor, I promise to help everyone equally. I will keep our class neat and disciplined. If I will listen everyone's problem, not only my friends, but everyone's. Thank you. Now, I would like to call Rushal.
Good morning, class. Myself, Rushal. I believe a class monitor should be responsible and disciplined. I won't take decisions alone. I will discuss with the class. Together, we will make the 5th P the best class in the school.
Riya always helps in keeping the class neat. She will be a good monitor. But Aman is very fair. Last time he returned a lost compass without telling anyone him to. Now take your sleeves, write the name and drop it into the ballot box quickly. Students are casting their votes one by one. Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
Students, results are with me of elections. Riya, you got 12 votes and Aman, you got 15 votes. The new class monitor is Aman. Congratulations, Aman. I am happy for you.
Thank you, Riya. You also gave a great speech. Let's work together for the class.
Excellent. Remember that elections are not about friendship or popularity. They are about choosing the right leader. No campaigning inside the class. No forcing anyone to vote. Everyone has freedom to choose. This is how elections should be fair and respectful. The Justice Pledge. Students, repeat after me. I promise to uphold social